I'm just getting all of Aldi. This is my cart. It came to $310. You guys don't always get to see the behind the scenes because I don't have my kids with me today, so I can film a little bit in public. The reason I don't is because I can't pay attention to my kids and safety and my cart and be out of people's way and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to start down here just because this is the stuff that pushed my budget away over were some of these more processed convenient snack items for the kids. But my kids have a full week off this month for spring break, so I'm trying to think ahead, getting some things on the shelf. We talked about in a recent video how I'm trying to stock up on some things, that way when the kids hit summer break I already have some snacks on the shelf. I already have some convenience things on the shelf for them throughout summer break, so that's also why this is a little bit higher. So let's go ahead and talk about some things. So I did get 2 boxes of fruit snacks, pretty typical for us. My son loves these. These are his bedtime snack pretty much every single night. He loves these, and my 1-year-old is also starting to really love these as well, so I got 2 boxes to last an entire month. So I know it looks like a lot, but there are 28 pouches in here, so right around 50 pouches for an entire month isn't bad. My husband snacks on these too every so often, so they're here, and the kids really like these. I needed another thing of olive oil spray, so I got that. I did pick up some cans. I don't always, but I picked up 4 cans of this macaroni and beef little SpaghettiOs type thing, but I got 4 of these. I bought 4 SpaghettiOs last month. I still have 2 or 3 of them on the shelf, so got a couple of these. We won't eat all these this month. Some of them will last on the shelf and we'll have them for summer. I also got 4 cans of mushrooms. There have been so many times over the last couple of weeks where I've been like, do we really not have mushrooms? So I got 4 cans for various cooking, especially as we're heading into grilling season, making more burgers. Lots of mushrooms happen. I realized last month that we didn't have any crackers. I don't think I bought any last month, so we went all month with no crackers, and it was not very fun. I didn't realize how much we used these, but the kids like these with peanut butter on for a snack. I did buy some Nutella. They'll put Nutella on here for a snack, cheese and sausage. We have some venison sausage in the freezer right now, so that'll be a great snack. So just, I wanted to make sure that we had these for the kids. I also got 2 boxes of graham crackers. As the weather starts warming up, I'm sure we'll do campfires and s'mores and things. And I also have a couple cookie bars, or like almost like chocolate bars I make for the kids that I need graham crackers for. So I got 2 boxes of these. We're also going to be doing a really big like Chex Mix for the kids this month. The kids, that was a request that they had, so I got a lot of things for the Chex Mix. One of those things being the Aldi's Cheez-Its. You'll see some things here, and I'm also getting some stuff from Walmart for that. I did get a tub of vanilla ice cream. We have additives like caramel and chocolate and things that kids can put on here if they so choose that. 5 boxes of mac and cheese. I still have some on the shelf, but like I said, trying to get things stocked up before summer. That way when summer comes, it's not as crazy as an expense when all the kids are home all the time. And then for when the kids are home for spring break, because I think they have 8 days off total, so these can be a lunch a day or 2. I did get 2 things of Nutella. We don't have this all the time, but the kids really do like this. It switches up their peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, peanut butter and Nutella. They dip pretzels in here, so we got those. They do apples too. I got a couple salad kits. I'm trying to make my own Caesar's dressing. I tried a couple days ago and it was alright, but I like these for convenience. So I got 2 things of Caesar, and then I also got this avocado ranch kit. I like this one a lot because it's mostly cabbage, so it can last a really long time in the fridge. I've had these last all the way into like the 3rd week of the month in my fridge, no problem, because it's just carrots and cabbage. Really delicious. So I like these. These are really good with tacos too, so I got those. I did get 2 things of corn muffin mix. I'm gonna make the kids corn dogs for their lunches. I'm gonna try to make them in bulk, put them in the freezer so that I can just put them in lunch boxes, and then I can even do those when the kids are home during spring break if I wanted. This was a snack for either lunch boxes or while they're home on spring break. I'm going to sound like a broken record, but I got 4 boxes of strawberry gelatin. That's what the kids like. Sometimes I get orange, but they prefer this. I also got a thing of trail mix. I love the Southern Grove trail mixes from Aldi. I get these for my husband all the time, and he just keeps them in his lunch box for work, and it's his. The kids never see it. I never see it, and then he can have it for when he wants it or needs it. This is gonna be the house trail mix for the month. We just finished off the one that we had kind of on back stock, so there's that. I also get a thing of romaine lettuce for the month. This is what we use for like tacos, wraps, roll-ups, sandwiches, things like that. This lasts a lot longer than an iceberg lettuce. I got 5 bags of baby carrots. These are the kids. They go in lunch boxes. The kids snack on them. I went a couple months without getting these and just getting my 5-pound bag of whole carrots from Walmart, which is a really good deal. And I forgot how convenient it was to have these. It's not a budget buster. They're only $1. So I still get these. I got 5 bags and this will be really great. Really, I'm happy that we started getting those again. I get my husband this chocolate bar every single month. He already broke into it, but he loves the milk chocolate with almonds. And while I was picking this up for him, I saw this one, and it's sea salt and caramel dark chocolate. I prefer dark chocolate to milk chocolate, but not everybody would agree to that. But they had a lot of really good ones. They had a mint one that I grabbed. I almost picked that one, but I decided to go with this one instead. So I got these for us for the month, and we'll just put them up high in the pantry so the kids don't see them, and then we'll break off a piece every once in a while, and we'll have those. Here we go. I did get 2 things of raspberries. My son already stole one. It's probably gone. They're bought and gone, as we say around here. So raspberries, 2 things of blueberries for the kids. These will definitely be gone before the weekend's over. It's Friday, so these probably won't last past Saturday afternoon. The other thing, we've been starting to try some more freeze-dried things. We are putting in an orchard and a ton of berry bushes. Like 100 berry plants are going in the next couple of weeks. So we're kind of trying around with freeze-dried things, seeing what we like. That way we're knowing if we were to buy a freeze dryer, if we would eat them, because a freeze dryer is a huge investment, and you don't want to pay for a huge investment and then find out you don't actually like the product that it makes. So I saw these and figured we would try them. So they're dark chocolate covered strawberries. We already opened them. These are fantastic. I love these. And then I got dark chocolate covered freeze-dried bananas. So we'll give these a go. But like I said, my husband doesn't love dark chocolate. He said they're okay. I'm sure he would like these a lot more if they were milk chocolate. I did get some convenience boxed pastas because I'm finding lately, I don't know what it is, but making homemade pasta is becoming really difficult for me just right now. I don't know what it is, but it could just be the age where my baby is right now. So I'm sure it will kind of move through this stage and it won't be as difficult. But so I'm moving to box pastas at least for a little bit. And I got 2 boxes of rigatoni, and I got a thing of elbow macaroni, 4 things of egg noodles. This is what we use for casseroles, and I have a lot of casseroles on the docket this month, so I got 4 bags of these. Avocados were $2 for this entire bag, at least at my Aldi. They're all rock hard, but I figured I would get them, put these on burgers. I figured maybe even I could get some guacamole mix. We can make a thing of guacamole. We will find ways to use these. They were a good price, so I got them. 2 bunches of bananas. They only had green ones, so this is where I'm at. I'll hope that my ones that I get from Walmart are yellow, and I'll have a little bit more of a stagnant line of ripening bananas. I did get a thing of tomatoes. Typically I don't buy tomatoes during the winter months because they don't taste like anything, especially when you're used to garden fresh tomatoes, but I do miss having these, and the kids do too. My kids eat these like apples, but we like to put these on burgers and sandwiches and things, so I did get these, at least for now. I got 3 bags of mandarin oranges. These were not the greatest price, but the kids are devouring them right now, so I got them. So I got 9 pounds of cuties for the month. My husband's been eating a lot of these too recently. I have too. They've been really good recently, so I got these. They're worth it if the kids are going to eat them the way that they have been. I also got 2 pineapples. These were a great price. They were $1.90 a piece, and I want to try to can them. So we're going to see how that goes. I'm just getting to the point in the canning season where I have a lot of empty jars, and it's pretty stagnant around here. I did find that I have a bunch of tomatoes in the freezer still that I thought I had already used up, so we're going to be canning those tomatoes. I want to try to can this pineapple, and we'll see how that works out. I did get 3 things of cucumbers. Usually I get the mini ones, but I found over the last couple of months by getting these ones that are wrapped like this, I've had them last all month long versus the little minis that I get usually only last 2 weeks. So this way we can have cucumbers last the entire month in the fridge. The kids eat them just as is. I'll peel them, they eat them as a snack. I put them in lettuce wraps or crunch wraps in salads, on my sandwiches. So we go through quite a bit of these. I did get 5 pounds of Honeycrisp apples. These were a great price. They were $1.90, which is really good. It's a lot better than what they have been, so I got an extra bag. Typically we go through about a bag a week, but because the kids are going to be home for spring break, they will eat more apples. I promise you they will. So I got an extra bag. I never have issues with these going bad. Same with the cuties. They last all month long, easy for us, so there's that. I do try to respect the kids' asks. I'm just realizing this is sea salt and vinegar. I meant to get just regular potato chips. Hopefully that's not an issue. But I did ask my older girls this morning if they wanted anything. They asked for barbecue chips and potato chips. That's what they wanted as just like some fun snacks for the weekend. So hopefully they're not upset that this is sea salt and vinegar. I did not see that, but these kettle chips are our favorite. They're fantastic. I did also get 2 bags of pretzels. My husband wants me to make a beer dip this weekend, so we're gonna make the beer dip, and we like pretzels for that. We're also gonna put these in the kids' trail mix, and they like to dip these in Nutella and things. So a couple bags of pretzels for the month. This was another request. My daughter asked for Oreos, and I always just get the off-brand ones from Aldi, these little sandwich cookies. So I got 2 packages, one with the chocolate and vanilla, and then one where they're chocolate and vanilla in the same cookie. But I got an extra one. I want to start getting the little 4-ounce mason jars for the kids and putting yogurt in them and then crushing up some of these cookies to make their own little like cookie yogurt bites that you can get from like Walmart or Aldi. Sometimes they have M&Ms, those different little yogurt cups that are like $12 for 4 cups. The kids love those. We don't get them because they're just ridiculously priced, but I figured I can make them myself, or I can even do it with pudding and put some of these in there for the kids' own little dirt cups. My kids have bento boxes for their lunches, but we've had issues in the past where they open them up and the yogurt or the applesauce is like everywhere, and then they have to buy a hot lunch because their cold lunch is ruined. So I want to start getting the little mason jars, filling them with applesauce that we make, or our yogurts, and having some fun yogurt options from them. I'll just prep them on Sundays like I do normally with our other like cookies that we make, or muffins or things like that for the kids' lunches, or like the Chex Mix, and putting them in the fridge. The kids can have them. My husband can even take them if he wants them, and just having some more fun treat-like things for the kids. The kids asked for more frozen berries. I don't have a lot of room in my freezers right now. We just got half a pig in, so my freezers are pretty topped off, but always have room for frozen berries. This mixed fruit blend is the kids' new favorite. It is strawberries, pineapple, peaches, and mango. This is what we've been making our popsicles out of. They are so good, you guys. Even myself, these are really great. We make smoothies out of these, and I don't like pineapple, peaches, or mangoes, but this mix is really, really good. So we got that. I also decided, since they like the mixed one so much, I want to try the tropical blend, and it's pineapples, mangoes, strawberries, and papayas. We're gonna give this one a go. I think I've gotten this before, but I don't think we've ever made it into like smoothies or anything. So we're gonna give this one a go, see how the kids like it, making it into popsicles. The kids really like those. And then I just got 2 things of regular strawberries for the kids. I also got these because I want to try to make fruit leather in the oven. I'm gonna do a video on that. Maybe that's something that I'll prep as well, but I will film that. That is something that I want to do, and you need frozen berries for them, or fresh berries, but frozen's way cheaper. So I got some of these. We're gonna try, maybe that's what we'll use this tropical blend for. We'll see. I did get this. I am on the Aldi pages for like Facebook and Instagram, and I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time, but they can be really expensive. This was $5, so I figured for $5 it's worth it. It's just a scrub kit that you attach to the drill, and you can really get in on things. So I'm going to give this a go. I'll probably use this on my cleaning channel. It's Teach Me How to Clean. I'm pretty sure it's linked down below if you want to check that out. But it's mostly just cleaning hacks, how to clean with like baking soda and vinegar, tough cleaning things. So I got this. I'm really excited for it. I got some things for baking. I got a couple things of mini chocolate chips, which is our favorite. The kids throw these in pancakes and muffins and cookies, all the things. This is what we use. 2 things of white chocolate chips. I still have some butterscotch ones and things from Christmas time, but I didn't have a lot of white, so we got those. I also did get 3 bags of the Easter pastel M&Ms. These will go in the trail mix for the kids around Easter for spring break, just something fun. We'll make cookies out of these. So I'm gonna hide these and put these away for when I want to pull them out. So just something fun for the kids. And then I got 2 things of pepperoni. This is the only meat that I'll get this month as well. Everything else is already in the freezer that we buy in bulk. I get questions on that a lot. everything else is already in bulk in the freezer, so I don't have to worry about it. It helps keep my costs down a lot. But 2 things of pepperoni for our homemade pizzas and calzones. I did get 2 things of bologna. This was another request from the kids. We don't do this all the time, so I got that. 4 things of lunch meat for the month. It's typically about 1 a week we go through, and last month we did turkey because it was on sale. So this month I did ham. 2 things of hard taco shells. I have a kid who prefers hard shell tacos, and I have tacos and baked tacos on my meal plan this month, so I got 2 things of those. 1 thing of chicken breast. I have 1 left over in my freezer from last month that I never used, so we've got that. I got 2 kielbasas. I have 2 meals this month that we need these for, so that's what I got. I got 4 pounds of butter. That's all my Aldi lets me get. I do still have, I think, 2 pounds in my freezer that I've accumulated. Just haven't ran through that much butter, and we had extras, so this is ours for the month. I got 2 things of these 20-count mini tortillas for the kids. This is very typical for us. Quesadillas, roll-ups for the kids with some of that lunch meat, a piece of cheese, one of our homemade pickles. The kids love them. Lots of quesadillas. This is what the kids use for tacos if they don't do hard shells. These little ones are a lot better for them, so we go through quite a bit of these. And then I got 3 things of these 8-count of the large tortillas. I'm going to be making some breakfast burritos this month to get in the freezer, so I got some extra of these so that we could get everything in the freezer that we really needed to get in the freezer. Then this was an impulse buy, but my husband got me this really nice coffee maker for Christmas. So I've been experimenting with making more coffee like from home other than just like my hot coffee. It makes iced coffees and espressos and things like that. So I got this, and it's a cold foam. It's sweet vanilla. They also had a mocha one, but I figured vanilla would just go more with like what I like to drink. So I got this. We're gonna see how this goes. I can make my own whipped cream from some of the heavy whipping cream that we buy, but this was just something fun, so I got this, and we'll see how this goes. I figured the kids can also put this on their hot chocolates, and I don't know, just something fun. So I did pick this up. I'll let you know what I think about this, but I'm pretty excited about this. Then the very last thing I bought was some bread. I did get 3 things of these Hawaiian rolls. We're doing 2 different sliders this month, an Italian style slider and just like a Big Mac slider. And I got a 3rd one because I figured we could probably do a hot ham and cheese slider for the kids during spring break for a lunch. That with a can of tomato soup or something. I think the kids will like that. I also got 2 things of these plain mini bagels. I make pizza bagels for the kids with some of our home canned pizza sauce and some cheese, and the kids put those in their lunch boxes and they really enjoy those. So that's my entire Aldi haul. So this all came to $310. Typically I like to keep it around $250, but there were some things that pushed me over my grocery budget. The scrubber was one, the M&Ms, and then all of these little convenience things pushed it up just that much more.